I'm in Springfield, Missouri at the Route 66 Fest, the birthplace of Route 66. Come on with me.
This is Red, and this historic photo documents what is believed to be the first drive-thru restaurant in the world. It was in 1947 when Red's Giant Hamburg first opened on historic Route 66 in Springfield, Missouri. Today we go inside and have lunch in the new Red's Giant Hamburg as we explore the Route 66 Festival in Springfield, Missouri. So come along for the ride as we check out these classic cars, crazy characters, entertainment, and the exact spot where historic Route 66 was created.
Today I'm at Park Central Square, the birthplace of Route 66.
Route 66 was born in 1926 in downtown Springfield, Missouri, and each year is celebrated with the Route 66 Festival. By the time we arrived in Springfield, we were hungry, so we went to a Route 66 classic, Red's Giant Hamburg. So, what's a giant hamburg? Well, originally, Red wanted it to say Giant Hamburger. But when they went to put the sign in at the original location, they realized that the power lines were too low. So Red just told them to leave the ER off. And it became a legend.
Okay, today we're gonna eat at Red's Giant Hamburg, right on Route 66.
Red's first opened in 1947 and became iconic because it was known as the first drive-thru restaurant. They faithfully served customers until 1984 when the original location closed. However, in 2019, Red's reopened at a different location and have been in business ever since, bringing back that Route 66 vibe and style. Today I'm joined by Kat from Inferior Adventures. We both decided on the classic Red Burger. Mine was delicious.
Okay, we just had lunch at the world famous Red's Hamburg.
Which was amazing.
Pretty tasty.
It was awesome.
It was delicious. It's purported to be the very first drive-thru in the U.S. So check that out. This is where it was all started. All the drive-thrus, you can blame Red. But now we're going to head to the Route 66 Festival right here in Springfield.
Couple miles down the road.
Go check it out.
We start things off at the Route 66 Springfield Visitor Center, and this was a great idea. This gave us a lot of ideas of where to go and what to see.
It's a really good brochure for the area for Route 66 and gives a history.
If you're thinking of exploring Route 66 around Springfield, I would highly suggest you come here and get this map. It shows all the pertinent photo ops and places you can stop. They also have Route 66 merch, and the staff is very helpful. And now we go on a quest to find the exact spot that Highway 66 was named.
This is the hotel that they actually made the decision to call it Route 66.
It says here that that exact location is not far. It's at the intersection of St. Louis Street and Jefferson Avenue. Let's go check it out. I'd love to hear what your favorite Route 66 spots are.
Okay, so today I'm in search of the original birthplace of Route 66. It's right downtown here in Springfield. I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna find the exact spot that they said, let's call this Route 66.
Springfield's variety from the 80s to today. Maroon 5 and...
I usually don't even like red on cars, but that red, I love.
And I think of all things what you do. Why don't you come on over,
All right, look at here. Got the Cardinal. Yes, sir. Go Missouri. Woo. Thank you. We are on the street corner where Route 66 was invented. Right here at St. Louis and Jefferson, this is the birthplace of Route 66. Check it out.
Here at the intersection of St. Louis and Jefferson Avenue, you'll see this beautiful blue building, and right at the bottom, a historical marker which signifies this occasion.
Okay, I'm here with Inferior Adventures. Kat, we are at the birthplace of Route 66. How do you feel?
I feel hot. It's July, or no, it's August.
Is it everything you'd hoped for?
It is. Pretty nice festival.
Yeah, we're waiting for this band to start. They're doing a lot of tuning, They're going to be, because they are tuning up.
I think this is what they're doing. It's an ambiance band.
Oh, you think it's just like jazz?
Yeah, I think this is just it.
Might be it. You're right.
Alright, fellas. Take me to the floor. Take me to the floor. Yes, you wonder where I've been. Search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you. Thank you. I heard a swing, he sang about her. I always
You know how I love the wagons. Okay, friends, this is going to do it from Springfield, Missouri, Route 66, the birthplace. Check out another video next, right up here. I'm sure this one's going to be terrific. Whatever I put up here, well worth watching. Just go ahead and snap it right now. We'll catch you clowns on the rebound.